Hey guys, so after a long time I'm making this video, and today I'm here with new hair masks. This is my first hair masks on my YouTube channel. So due to COVID we cannot go outside, and I have a colored hair, so I need to take care of my hair very properly. And normally I need to do hair spa at least once in a month, but now I don't have any hair spa, and if I wanted to buy also, then I cannot go outside because there is no vehicle, there is no shop. So I thought, why don't I make homemade hair masks for my hair. So I tried three products, that is aloe vera, coconut oil, and curd. All these three products you will also get as very easily in your kitchen, and that three products works really nice on my hair. So before I used to get lot of itchiness on my scalp, and my hair used to be very dry, but after using that mask I don't get, like, for 3 to 4 days I don't get any itchiness. Then for 3 to 4 days my hair looks very smooth and shiny. So I thought this hair mask really works really nice on my hair. So before I was a little bit confused whether I should share this mask or not, but after using 3 and 4 times I thought I need to share this mask, because maybe all other people's may be suffering from for a hair. So yeah, hope this hair marks will be helpful. And अगर आपने स्ट्रेटनिंग किया है, एंड अगर आप डेली बेसिस पर कोई हीटनिंग प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करते हैं, लाइक हेयर स्प्रे, हेयर ड्रायर और स्ट्रेटनिंग, तो अगर डेफिनेटली आपके हेयर पर स्प्लिटेंस होगा ही होगा. सो दिस हेयर मास्क हेल्प्स टू रिपेयर योर हेयर, बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ एलोवेरा. एलोवेरा इज़ अ वेरी गुड फॉर आवर हेयर. एंड अगर आप चाहे तो एलोवेरा में यहाँ पर पतंजलि का एलोवेरा यूज़ कर रही हूँ, बट इट्स बेटर इफ़ यू हैव अ एलोवेरा एट योर होम, लाइक नेचुरल वन. दैट इज़ अगर आपके स्प्लिटेंस ज़्यादा है तो आप वो लाइक नेचुरल वन आप जस्ट हेयर मास्क जैसे स्प्लिटेंस पर लगाइए, टिप ऑफ द हेयर. देन आफ्टर दैट यू कैन लीव फॉर 15 to 20 minutes. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन वॉश विद द नॉर्मल वाटर. बट आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस मास्क मेक श्योर कि आप कोल्ड वाटर से ही वॉश करें, क्योंकि इस पर है लाइक कर्ड एंड कोकोनट ऑयल. क्योंकि ये अगर आप वार्म वाटर यूज़ करें तो नॉर्मली इट विल नॉट वॉश आउट वेरी इजीली. सो you need to wash your hair with the cold water, not a very cold water, but it's normal water. So hope this hair mask will be helpful. So we'll move into this preparation. So So I washed my hair and my hair is not completely dry, it's a half dry, and as you can see my hair now it's very soft and smooth. So basically this mask works really nice on my hair, so you guys also can try at your home, and it's a very easy and simple and very effective. So hope you guys enjoy my video, and we'll meet in the next video very soon. Bye bye, see you, take care.